You are going to love the 2009 Forester. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, outside temperature gauge, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, beverage holders, reclining seats, side airbag system, cloth upholstery. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.